Hello everyone, you are watching Daily Court Updates with Bar and Bench, where I, Soumya, will be presenting daily update from courts around the country. Starting with Supreme Court of India, the Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud today proposed imposition of pre-hearing costs in commercial cases so that frivolous matters involving commercial issues are not brought before the Supreme Court. He said that such matters eat a lot of time of apex courts and need to be clamped up. Our next update is a step forward towards having disability-friendly court spaces. Today, days after Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud himself rose amidst a hearing to meet a disabled litigant outside the courtroom, CJI has now formed a committee which will look into difficulties faced by disabled while accessing the Supreme Court premises. The committee, known as Supreme Court Committee on Accessibility, will be headed by Justice S. Ravichandra Bhatt and has been tasked with conducting a comprehensive accessibility audit of the Supreme Court premises. The audit will extend to both physical as well as technological accessibility, said a press release released on Sunday. Our next update is coming from the matter of Delhi riots. While recently discharging Umar Khalid and Khalid Saifi in a rioting case, a Delhi court said that two men were already facing allegations in umbrella conspiracy behind the Delhi riots of 2020. The present case is related to a violence that erupted in Northeast Delhi on February 24, 2020. Moving forward, the Supreme Court today rejected a public interest litigation seeking declaration that founder of Satsang Shri Shri Thakur Anukul Chandra be declared as Paratma. A bench of Justices M.R. Shah and C.T. Ravikumar said that India is a secular country and such prayers cannot be made by PILs. They therefore imposed a cost of Rs 1 lakh on the petitioner for misconceived plea. Our last update is from Bombay, where the Bombay High Court today asked the Dharavi Redevelopment Project Authority whether the Mahim Nature Park in Mumbai is also a part of the proposed Dharavi Slum Redevelopment Project. The Dharavi Redevelopment Project Authority informed the court that the nature park will not be included in the redevelopment. The court then asked the authority to state the same on an affidavit. Thank you for watching this video. To read about these updates in detail, do visit our website. Link is in the description box, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel Bar and Bench.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon.